Welcome back to Skills to Income. I'm your host Mohammed Altamash, and in today's episode, I'm going to make your product creation journey a whole lot easier because I'm sharing 7 digital product formats that consistently sell at the 499 rupees price point. This episode is especially for you if you've been stuck deciding what to build. You want to start small but strategic. You want products that are easy to create and fast to sell. Let's jump right in. Why 499 rupees is a magic number. This price point removes objections, builds trust, gets people inside your world. It's perfect for first time buyers, low risk testing, building a warm audience, but not every format works. So here are 7 proven ones and how to pick the right one for your style. Format 1, the swipe file, perfect for creators, marketers, writers. Examples: email swipe templates, caption formulas, add headline collections, DM scripts for sales, built easily with Notion, delivered instantly via Kit. Why it works? People love ready to use material they can copy paste. Format 2, the PDF guide ideal for teachers, coaches, educators. Examples: 10 steps to launch your first digital course, the content planning blueprint for busy entrepreneurs. Design it in Canva, export as PDF, and deliver via Kit. It works because it's digestible, visual, and gives structure. Format 3, the toolkit. Think of this as a combo pack. Examples: Notion planners plus a templates plus checklists, Canva templates plus SOPs, script library plus voice samples. Use TagMango to deliver multiple files inside one access point. Toolkits scream value and make 499 rupees feel like a steal. Format 4, the audio product. If you prefer to speak instead of write, this is for you. Examples: audio training, guided walkthroughs, motivation packs, behind the scenes strategy talks. Use ChatGPT to write the script, 11 labs to voice it. Format it like a private podcast hosted on TagMango. Great for creators building personal connection through voice. Format 5, the mini workshop recording. Have you done a free session, live Zoom, or guest talk? Turn that into a product. Just trim the fluff, add a short intro, upload to TagMango, and sell it for 499 rupees. Works well for strategy breakdowns, storytelling formats, tools, walkthroughs. No extra work, just smart repurposing. Format 6, the starter challenge. This is a 3-day or 5-day action challenge that delivers micro wins. Examples: 3 days to set up your first digital store, 5-day faceless video challenge. Each day can be one short video, one action task, and a daily email via Kit. Add community access through TagMango to boost completion rates. Perfect for engagement plus first transformation. Format 7 is based federation. The micro course. This is a mini training with 3 to 5 short modules. It covers one clear outcome, one method, one transformation. Record it as slides, voiceover with 11 labs, or use a screen share. Great for skill-based topics like basic SEO, Instagram growth, Canva design, digital selling use. TagMango to host the content and drip the modules. How to pick your format. Ask yourself 3 questions. 1. Do I like writing, talking, or designing? 2. What does my audience consume best, PDFs, audio, or video? 3. What is the fastest path to deliver value in 30 minutes or less? Match your strength to the right format. No need to guess. You can also ask your audience via stories or email polls. Combine and test bonus tip. Combine 2 formats. Swipe file plus audio guide, PDF plus a mini workshop, challenge plus micro course. You get to offer layered value while keeping it lean. And once you validate it, you can raise the price or bundle it into your 5 product shop. My stack to build and deliver. Here's the tool stack I use to build 499 rupees products. ChatGPT to generate scripts, outlines, prompts. Canva to create visuals, templates, PDFs. Kit for email delivery plus automation. Tagmango for hosting courses, toolkits, challenges. Swipe pages for sales pages plus checkout. 11 Labs to voice scripts fast. CapCut for reel teasers and launch trailers. Everything connects and nothing slows you down. Thanks for listening to episode 23 of Skills to Income. Remember, say you don't need a complicated funnel. You just need a product people can say yes to quickly. Screenshot this episode, post it on Instagram, and tag me. You can find the username is mentioned in the description. Next up, I'll walk you through my full 7-day content plan to launch your product organically without spending a single rupee on ads. Until then, stay consistent, stay curious, and always choose freedom.